I'm Dan Covey. I'm going to show you how to void a check at I-21. We frequently get support calls on how to void a check, and the biggest issue is it's not something that we necessarily do all that often. So let's go into purchasing, pay voucher details. I've done another video where you can search by how to do the searching and grouping on this tab. So I can see here that any of the payments, any check, I can filter for any of these, any information that I have. And if the check is not cleared, which I can see here that it's not cleared, I can void it. But I can see this first check here. It's printed and posted. It's not voided. And it's not cleared. So I just double click on that payment, and then now I have the option to void that payment. Are we sure we want to void this? And then you pick your date here. So this is the date that the money is going to get deposited back into your account. So I'm going to avoid this as of today. So this will debit cash and then reverse the transaction in your check register. That is how you void a check in accounts payable for an I-21.